My guy, Hench.
All of that.
Come on, all of that. I'm going to Dubai for like 24 hours, so I just got to go easy, man. I'm going simple. Simplicity, man. Little duffel. I'm trying to find if there's another duffel bag I can use, but maybe I could go easy, fine. Can't go wrong with a go easy. Little suitcase here. I don't know. I just don't know. By the way, GoPro, shout out GoPro for this one, cause yo, I'm not even a vlogger, but this one is funny. All in my feet, yeah, I'm wicked with this. Where do you go? Where I go? I don't even know where I'm going. I'm going somewhere. Atlantis. Atlantis. I snapped it once, I'm not gassed. Tell him. Thank you, sir. I snapped it once, I'm not gassed. Suicide doors, man. You arrived. So then, you got anything to say to the vlog?
I called you. What? Not talk, man. Not talk.
You don't talk. Twist them, don't talk. Only if you know. Mumzy been calling me. Let me get Mumzy on the vlog. Where's Mumzy at? Mumzy!
Hello.
Say hello to the vlog. You're on my vlog, say hello.
Where is he?
You're on my vlog, mum. This camera is vlogging you. Say hello.
Hello. That is your cheeky. I thought you Demi.
It's not Demi, no.
You're a naughty boy.
Hi, mum, love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Take care, mum, bye.
Have fun.
Appreciate that, mum, thank you.
Paparazzi.
Come on, chillaxing, mum, chillaxing. Take care. Hey, Mumzy's funny. What's your definition of real? This is real. I appreciate that. Got me a little cologne. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's get out, let's head out. Twiz them waiting for me downstairs. Let me put on the glasses, because this is Essential Frames, this is not Carti's. My boy Ishan. Shout out to you, brother. Yeah. Huh. Can I really say, huh? We're living. Hey? Aren't we? About to go sleep, the Twiz fam. To be honest, we arrived late, so we just went down, little restaurant, a little bit of food. I didn't bring the camera with me, actually, but tomorrow, on a spontaneous one. So I'm about to get tucked in. When I say tucked, like this, tucked like a cake. Gizzo. Shout out to my brother, baked like a cake, because hey, this bed, like a cloud. Actually mad. God is great though. Guys, quick brush teeth, prayer, and then God willing, wake up tomorrow and it's a new day. Twiz is out. Love. Oh, it is bright, boy. Wow. Yeah, makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Dubai. Thank God for another day. About to go shower, brush my teeth and get out. Need to eat. Decent sleep. Guys, I'll keep it so real. I might have to go back to Jericho's just for this one. Or even perm my hair. Gold comb. Elvis Presley. Afghan Presley. Yeah, mad. I think you're on my mind, yeah.
Watch him expand. You a fuck nigga, yeah. Cause you put on a strand. I might call her baby. She'll never be ma'am. Yellow blue diamonds ram. But I ain't paying Uncle Sam. I ran off on my man. I'ma pay Uncle Sam. I just took her to.
Poolside. Wanna meet Demi's at the pool. Where's the pool actually? I don't even know. Where is the pool? Trying to meet Dims at the pool. He's at the pool waiting for me, so I'm just trying to check out where this pool is, but I'm actually confused. This place is so big. This place is so big, it's not normal. Look at this shit. Beautiful. Let me ask this guy here, he's got a clue where. I know he's got a clue where the pool is. Sir, where's the pool? The pool. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Alright. Thank you for opening the door for me, mate. Scenery crazy. Hi, sir. Good, thank you so much.
Perfect.
Nice people. I love people that just greet good energies. That's what I go by. Good energies. Never stuck up. Yo, it's humid. It is humid here, boy. Oh, it's humid. Boy, my thing's got a sweat. Yo, it's mad. Hot, man.
It's got potential in it. The country's got potential.
Level 3, 4, 5, 6. Ik was spent en yes, yeah.
My guy, Henk.
All of that.
Come on, all of that.
And then Holland, Europe, they need him in Holland.